Hey, Patrick here. Thanks for taking the time to download the Ride Tracker app. Hey, this is just a quick introduction on how to use the app. I try to make it super simple. Start the app, basically just tap that button and you're riding your horse. On the screen in here, I'm going to record how long you've been riding, the distance that you've gone, the speed that you're at, even the gaits that you're at. So let's say if you're walking or trotting or cantering or galloping, or you're halted at the fence talking to the neighbor for a period of time. I actually capture all that information, which is pretty amazing. All that information is completely private, too. I don't use it for any other purposes. It's for you and your horse and tracking over time. On the screen, there's some other views here. This top one is basically your cellular indicator. This one changes the views of your map. This is pretty awesome. Again, this is Google and Apple Maps inside here. This button here will call out every 5 minutes, basically how far you've gone, how long you've been riding. This button here, this is your fall alerts. Accidents do happen. So ultimately, somebody that you designate as your emergency contact will get a text message with your exact location where an accident has occurred or where you've fallen. You do have the ability to cancel that before it happens. This is your pause button, and this is your end of ride. So we're going to end the ride here and then go on to the next screen. On this screen here, this is basically the ride summary. So you have the ability to rate your ride there. We had a great ride. You can leave a few notes of your ride. A lot of trainers find that useful. In here, this first drop down here is your horse. And then the second drop down is the activity that you did. So maybe we went for a trail ride. So I'm just going to select trail ride there. Then down below is a little bit of a summary of your ride there and the time that you spent at those other gates. And then just hit save ride. At that moment, it's all this data saved on your phone. I don't send it to the server without your permission. And then this is your rides over time. You do have the ability to tap into it and actually replay that ride down the road there. So we'll zoom in and it automatically will start playing that ride over again. There's a speed indicator down here, so you can really kind of speed it up and ratchet up that speed over time. Again, your metrics of the ride and then also your notes. If I go back, there's another tab here called Ride Insights, and you have the ability to see your ride over time. So you look at for the day, the week, month, or the year, which is pretty amazing. And then this button up here, Add Ride, you do have the ability to add a manual ride. Let's say you forgot to record it and you wanted to record that time with your horse. You have the ability to enter that information in there and save that as part of your horse. Again, thanks for taking the time to download the app. If you have a question, there's a support link in the app, or you can find me on the Facebook page and you can send me a message there and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for downloading the app.